Dear student, how are you? I am again here today. I am again here to discuss another thing. Look at the whiteboard. Here you can see 4 sentences, but I would like to request you first read the first sentence. Here I wrote, it is long time since. What is the meaning of this? It is long time since. অনেক সময় হয়ে গেল since. Is it complete sentence? No. If we want to the sentence complete, we need to write another part. It is long, if we write, it is long time since I met you. I met you. Here first I need to think the meaning to adjust the sentence. It is long time. অনেক দিন হয়ে গেল since I met you. তোমাদের সাথে দেখা হয়েছে. So when we find since, we can use first indefinite tense, first form of verb. Then notice the second sentence. It is high time. এখনই সময়. But the sentence is not complete sentence. If I write, we took initiative against COVID-19. এখনই সময় COVID-19 এর বিরুদ্ধে পদক্ষেপ নেওয়ার. So when I wrote first part, the sentence can't express complete meaning, but we need to write another part to complete the sentence. And then here you see, if you have a smartphone, যদি তোমার একটি স্মার্টফোন থাকতো, this is not complete sentence. When I wrote, you can watch my class easily. যদি তোমার একটি স্মার্টফোন থাকতো, you can watch my class easily. So when I wrote, if you have a smartphone, it is not a complete sentence. And then I wrote, you can watch my class easily. যদি তোমার একটি স্মার্টফোন থাকতো, তাহলে তুমি আমার ক্লাসটা খুব সহজেই দেখতে পারতে. Here the more you study, যতই পড়িবে, the sentence is not completing sentence. When I write, the more you learn. So dear student, first I write, more you study. The more you study, then I wrote, the more you learn. So here I wrote first incomplete sentence, then I add extra another part to complete the sentence. You notice which part I wrote next, I make underline the next part. Okay, so dear student, can you guess what am I going to start today? Yes, our today's topic is completing sentence. Completing sentence. Do you know what things can we complete to do or to make completing sentence? We need to know to complete any sentence. Firstly, in your exam, there will be 5 incomplete sentence. You need to complete them. For this, you need to know proverb sentence, because from my experience, I knew in every exam, public exam, there is a proverb sentence. So first you need to learn some proverb sentences. Then you need to know conditional sentences. I will discuss in my class today, and some important conjunction and their uses. There are some important conjunction those conjunction follows some important rules. So we need to know some important conjunction and their uses. And also non-finite verb. Sometimes we we complete the sentence by using a phrase where there is a gerund or participle or infinitive. You know, in completing sentence, we should know sentence according to structure: complex, simple, and compound. Complex and compound sentence has some important conjunction, but simple sentence there is no conjunction, where we can use gerund, participle, or infinitive. Dear students, sometime you will find the part of proverb sentence. If we find a rolling stone, then it is a proverb sentence. In Bangla, thir na hole unnoti hoy na. A rolling stone gathers no moss, and all that glitters, it is also a proverb sentence. All that glitters is not gold. And what is chok korle shona hoy na? What is looted cannot be bloated. Kopaler likhon na jay khondon. Strike the iron when or while it is jub buze kup mara. It is also a proverb. Here sometimes we need to complete the sentence using starting part. So here, where or when danger is feared. You know, there is a proverb, যেখানে বাঘের ভয় সেখানে সন্ধ্যা হয়. So danger often comes where danger is feared. So if you find a rolling stones, you can write gathers no moss, because there is a proverb, a rolling stone gathers no moss. Thir na hole unnoti hoy na. All that glitters is not gold. It is also a proverb sentence. চকচক করলেই শোনা হয় না. What is looted cannot be bloated. কপালের লিখন না যায় খণ্ডন. Strike the iron when it is hot, or we can use while it is hot. জোব বুঝে কূপ মারা. Danger often comes where danger is feared. We can use when. যেখানে বাঘের ভয় সেখানে সন্ধ্যা হয়. So by knowing some proverb sentence, we can complete the sentence using the other part of proverb sentence. There are another proverb sentence I wrote here. Make hay. Do you know this type of proverb? Make hay while the sun shines. That means jub buze kup mara, while the sun shines. A man who is drowning catches at a straw. যতক্ষণ শ্বাস ততক্ষণ আশ. HTC in time saves 9. সময়ের 1 পর অসময়ের 10 পর. Faults are thick where love is thin. যারা দেখতে নারী তার চলন বাঁকা. Uneasy lies the head, that's where a crown. যে শিরে মুকুট থাকে সে শির স্বস্তিতে থাকে না. So these are another proverb sentence. Now I am going to write and complete the sentence. Make hay while the sun shines. জোব বুঝে কূপ মারা. A man who is drowning catches at a straw. যতক্ষণ শ্বাস ততক্ষণ আশ. HTC in time saves 9. সময়ের 1 পর অসময়ের 10 পর. Faults are thick where love is thin. যারা দেখতে নারী তার চলন বাঁকা. Uneasy lies the head that wears a crown. যে শিরে মুকুট থাকে সে শিরে স্বস্তি থাকে না. We also find this type of sentence, where there is a will, there is a way. ইচ্ছা থাকলে উপায় হয়. United we stand, divided we fall. একতাই বল, as you sow, so you reap. যেমন কর্ম তেমন ফল. Cut your coat according to your cloth. আয় বুঝে ব্যয় করো. Grass fall, loss all. অতি লোভে তাতি নষ্ট. So I wrote, where there is a will, there is a way. ইচ্ছা থাকলে উপায় হয়. United we stand, divided we fall. একতাই উত্থান, বিভেদে পতন. As you sow, so you reap. যেমন কর্ম তেমন ফল. Cut your coat according to your cloth. আয় বুঝে ব্যয় করো. Grass fall, lose all. অতি লোভে তাতি নষ্ট. Dear student, sometimes we find there is a proverb or there goes a proverb or they are saying a proverb, then we can write this type of proverb according to the passage what was given, what is given to your exam. Sometimes it was about time, then we can say time and tide wait for none. Sometimes the passage is about education, then we can say education is the backbone of a nation. Sometimes it was about health, so we can say health is wealth. And sometimes it was about needs or necessity, so necessity knows no laws. And sometimes illiteracy, then a little learning is a dangerous thing. Let's start conditional sentences. For completing sentence, we need to know conditional sentences. No, you know, conditional sentences are three kinds: first conditional, second conditional, and third conditional. Here, first I will describe first conditional. You know, when we find present tense after in the if clause, then we can use future tense, or we can use subject plus shall, will, may, or can plus verb 1 and something. So like following the structure, you can complete this type of sentence. Here, if a man does not work hard, does not work, so it is present indefinite tense. The meaning of it, যদি একজন মানুষ কঠোর পরিশ্রম না করে, what will be happen? He will not prosper in life. He will not prosper. He will not prosper in life. If a man, so here first I use present indefinite tense. If clause is present indefinite tense, the main clause is future indefinite tense. And here you see, if we are not healthy, যদি আমরা স্বাস্থ্যবান না হই, the if clause is present indefinite tense, then we can use future indefinite tense, or we can use can or may. So যদি আমরা স্বাস্থ্যবান না হই, we can't do our job properly. আমরা আমাদের কাজটা সঠিকভাবে করতে পারি না. We cannot do our jobs properly. Here you see, we will suffer a lot. Here it is main clause, so if we find main clause is future indefinite tense, then we can use if clause is present indefinite tense. আমরা অনেক কষ্ট ভোগ করব if we smoke, যদি আমরা ধূমপান করি. There we can use here I would like to mention, if we find if clause at the beginning of the sentence, we must use comma after the if clause, but if we find at the end of the sentence if clause, we cannot use comma. And also what we write to complete the sentence, we must underline this part. Some students only write the next part and they don't write first part. It's wrong. I hope you all write whole sentence. If you write the last part, then the sentence will not be complete sentence. So I request you to write the full sentence and underline the part what you add. Dear student, in first conditional you will find imperative sentence. If you find imperative sentence, you can also use first conditional in the present tense. Be truthful, সত্যবাদী হও. Why? If you want to be trusted. If you want to be trusted, যদি বিশ্বস্ত হতে চাও, সত্যবাদী হও. Here I would like to mention you, if you find imperative, then you can use want to verb to complete the sentence. So it is also first conditional. The second condition, if clause will be first indefinite tense and the main clause will be subject plus would, should, could, might plus verb 1. So here you see, if I reached late, here reached is first indefinite tense as it is first form. So if I reached late, যদি আমি দেরিতে পৌঁছি, if you reached late in the school, what will be happen? The teacher would rebuke you. So here if I reached late, it is first indefinite tense and I add sentence with subject plus would plus verb 1. যদি আমি স্কুলে দেরিতে পৌঁছি, the teacher would rebuke me. You can add another sentence, but you must follow the rules where you should use would, should, could, might plus verb 1. And here also you see the next part, if he told me, যদি সে আমাকে বলতো I would join the party, আমি পার্টিতে অংশগ্রহণ করতাম। I would join the party if he told me. And here first part is missing. I would fly in the sky, আমি আকাশে উঠতে পারতাম। What things did I have? Had I the wings of bird, যদি আমার পাখির মতো ডানা থাকতো। Sometimes we can use had instead of if. Had I the wings of a bird, যদি আমার পাখির ডানা থাকতো তাহলে আমি আকাশে উঠতাম। So meaning is next, but you first follow the rules. If you find first indefinite tense, you must use subject plus would, should, could plus verb 1. Dear student, third conditional, where you find if plus first perfect tense, then you need to use subject plus would, should, could, might plus verb 3 plus something. So here you see if plus first perfect plus subject plus would, could, might, have plus verb 3 and something. And I wrote here, had he been a little careful. Here had is used instead of if. So actually if he had been a little careful, যদি সে একটু সচেতন থাকতো, what will happen then? So I can use he, where we find first perfect tense, we can use subject plus would, should, could, might, anyone we can use, could, then have, then verb 3. যদি সে একটু সতর্ক থাকতো, সে তাকে রক্ষা করতে পারতো। So it is passive sentence. So I can write have been and verb 3. He could have been saved, সে নিজেকে রক্ষা করতে পারতো। Then see the next sentence, had I seen you before, আমি যদি তোমাকে আগে দেখতাম, then I can use I could not have let you go. If আমি যদি তোমাকে আগে দেখতাম, আমি তোমাকে যেতে দিতাম না। So here I use could plus have plus verb 3. Then here main clause is present but if clause is missing, so we can use if clause. Subject plus would, have, verb 3. So I can use if or had. If I, if you or he. If you invited had, as it is third conditional, we can use first perfect tense, had plus verb 3. If you had invited me, I would have joined the party. We must underline what part we write. So here every part what I wrote I must underline. Dear student, already 19 minutes over. So I would not like to continue this class. You will find this in details in your English grammar book. I think you have all have this book. Go to unit 11. You should read lesson 1 and 2. You will find first conditional and second conditional. Now I would like to give you some homework. Dear student, I hope you enjoy the class. In my next class, I will discuss about most important conjunction and non-finite verb. Now I would like to give you homework. You will find activity 3, page number 176, and activity 1, page number 178. I hope you all have this book, and go to unit 11 and you will find this activity. I hope you will complete this activity and show it to your class teacher. Thank you. Best of luck.